welcome back. Today we're going to try something different, and today I'm sharing with you part 1 of my 3 easy hairstyles for spring. And first up is this beautiful half up, half down hairstyle. It's soft, elegant, easy, and perfect for any spring occasion. Now, stay tuned. Make sure your notifications are turned on for part 2 and 3 later this week, and once they're live, I will link them in the description below. All right, let's get started. Completely optional, but I wanted to share how to add hair extensions to this hairstyle in case you're wearing it to a formal occasion and you wanted to add more volume. So first, trace from the top of your ears back and completely section this off, and then start by clipping in a 3-clip weft. Next, section off all the hair just below your temples, clip it up out of the way, and secure your longest weft, the 4-clip one. And then lastly, section off the hair at your crown and secure a smaller 2-clip weft underneath. This will help your first bun be very voluminous. Awesome. Now for the hairstyle, gather all the hair at the crown of your head, and I'm just using a wide tooth comb to keep everything nice and smooth, and then completely section this off. And you want to leave at least an inch or 2 down at the sides for the second bun later on. Now tightly secure your section, and I like to place a clip underneath. This just helps prevent tangling, knots, and breakage. Once secure, pinch and pull on small pieces of hair around your crown to add really pretty movement and volume. Next, using your index finger and thumbs, create a hole just above your hair elastic, like this. And then using your thumbs, push your ponytail up partially through this hole to create your bun. And then pull on the sides to fan it out. Now continue pinching and pulling, making it as large as you like, and I just think this looks so beautiful. Once you're happy with it, just use a pin to secure the top of your bun to your head. Truly, you could leave it here, but let's add one more. So section off about 1 inch of hair on both sides of your head, making sure not to gather the ends from your previous section. And then join them at the back and tightly secure these 2 sections together just below your previous elastic and give them a little pull to tighten them up. And then same as before, use your thumbs to push your ponytail up in between your 2 sections and partially through to create your bun shape. All right, once fanned out, use a pin to secure the top bun to your head, trying to cover that previous elastic. So there you have it, a beautiful, voluminous, half up, half down hairstyle. I love how this turned out. I think it's so perfect for any spring occasion. But I really hope that you liked today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to check out part 2 and 3. I'll have them linked in the description once they're live. But thanks again. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.